stylish souls! Welcome to the first look at Burda Style April 2025, a collection that blends elegance, creativity, and modern trends in the most inspiring way. If you love sophisticated tailoring, effortless chic, and timeless fashion, then you're in for a treat. The sculpted linen blazer, a spring essential. Nothing says refined elegance like a perfectly tailored blazer. And this season, Burda introduces a sculpted linen blazer in soft pastel tones. The nipped-in waist, structured shoulders, and lightweight fabric make it ideal for layering over flowy blouses and tailored trousers. How to style it? Wear it over a silk cami and wide-leg trousers for a chic daytime look, or throw it over a floral dress for a modern feminine touch. The Effortless Wrap Midi Dress, the ultimate flattering silhouette. A well-designed wrap dress is a wardrobe hero piece, and this Burda version is no exception. With its fluid drape, waist-defining tie, and elegant V-neckline, this dress enhances your natural curves while feeling effortlessly comfortable. The print options? Classic polka dots, soft watercolor florals, and minimalist monochrome. Perfect for spring brunches, garden parties, or an elegant everyday outfit. Just add pointed flats and a structured handbag. The tailored wide-leg trousers, timeless and versatile. Say hello to polished comfort. These high-waisted wide-leg trousers create a long, streamlined silhouette while offering all-day ease. The details? Burda's choice of light wool blends linen and soft crepe ensures they work across seasons. Whether you choose classic navy chic beige or bold emerald green, these trousers will be a go-to staple in your wardrobe. Style tip. Pair them with a silk blouse and heels for a sharp look, or go relaxed with a fitted knit and sneakers. The modern shirt dress, a new take on a classic. The shirt dress is an icon of effortless style, and Burda for 2025 presents it in a fresh, contemporary way. This season's version features a defined waist, soft pleats, and a slightly longer hem at the back for a flattering shape. Choose from bold stripes, crisp white cotton, or a delicate paisley print. Each option adds a different touch of personality. How to wear it? The cropped utility jacket, functional and stylish. Utility-inspired pieces are still a huge trend, and Burda delivers with a cropped utility jacket that's both structured and easy to wear. With large statement pockets, a sleek button front, and a cinched waist, this piece is a stylish layering must-have. Soft khaki, classic beige, or deep terracotta. The choice is yours. A must-have for casual outings, travel, or a smart casual city look. The Flowy Palazzo Jumpsuit Chic one-piece dressing. Jumpsuits are always a showstopper, and this palazzo-style jumpsuit from Burda for 2025 is the epitome of effortless glamour. The wide legs create graceful movement, while the wrap front detail and waist belt keep it flattering and refined. The best part, it's incredibly versatile. Dress it up with heels or go relaxed with flat sandals. Best colors: classic black, deep plum, or a soft blush pink for a sophisticated edge. The romantic puff sleeve blouse, feminine and elegant. This season, soft, voluminous sleeves bring romance to everyday dressing. The Burda puff sleeve blouse balances structure and fluidity, featuring a delicate button-up front and a subtle V neckline. It comes in lightweight cotton, linen blends, and airy silk, making it perfect for layering or wearing solo. Styling inspiration: tuck it into high-waisted jeans for casual chic, or pair it with a pleated midi skirt for a polished feminine look. The sleek pencil skirt with a modern twist. A pencil skirt is a forever classic, but Burda updates it with a high slit, textured fabrics, and unexpected color choices. Whether in tweed, leather, or structured cotton, this skirt is both sophisticated and powerful. Style it with a fitted turtleneck and knee-high boots for a sleek, fashion-forward statement. The elegant trench coat, a true investment piece. No Burda collection is complete without a trench coat, and this season's version is truly timeless. Featuring a soft drape, tie waist, and lightweight structure, it's perfect for transitional weather. Choose from classic beige, deep olive, or soft powder blue, all stunning options that exude understated luxury. Wear it open for a relaxed look or cinch the waist for classic elegance. The statement cape, a bold, dramatic finish. If you're looking for something unique, the Burda 4/25 statement cape is the perfect outerwear piece. With its structured shoulders, flowing silhouette, and minimalist fastening, it's both modern and sophisticated. It's a piece that turns heads without trying too hard. Perfect for evening outings, stylish layering, or making an unforgettable entrance. Final thoughts. What's your favorite look? Burda 4/2025 is filled with inspiration, creativity, and timeless elegance. Whether you love tailored blazers, flowy jumpsuits, or classic dresses, this issue offers something for every stylish woman. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which piece is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let's chat about your top picks. And if you haven't yet, subscribe for more exclusive Burda insights and style inspiration. Let's keep celebrating timeless fashion together.